Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here by boersite. Boersite is a 3/4 inch brass garden hose adapter. We're gonna go ahead and I'll show you guys what this is here. Take it all out. All these different pieces and parts. Just opening up all the parts, and then I'll show you guys what we've got in here. So here we go. So we have a traditional 3-way valve right there. And then we have our nice brass connected fittings for our hose here. So we can screw it in to there. Oh, I don't know. There was a washer. Oh, no, that one has a washer in it already. We're good. The other one must not. Nope, that one does too. I guess it comes with an extra washer. Or maybe that's for up here. No, that one has it in there too. I guess you just have an extra washer in there. Okay, so we have that setting there. So we just would screw this on. And that is a nice fitting here. This will be for my van for when I'm camping and stuff like that. So I can have this go to my van to be constant water. And then this one here comes with an extra tube here. So I can have it to just be able to clean off my feet and other things just directly from the hose bib. So great for campers, for things like that. And then we have a little ball valve that will rotate with this here. So you can just do that closed. Oh, that's open, 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 open. When you go in line, like if you ever look at how you get water flow, when you're in line with the pipe, it's usually open. And then when that just means it's kind of cut it off. So that means now water will come out this side. So very nice thing here, nice little braided hose there, and a nice big 3/4 inch hose. So it's good. So it should have good water flow in there as well. I still need a water restrictor because I can't have fast water going into my camper. But put the water restrictor probably over on this side here. But it's nice because then if things are tight and things like you still are able to kind of rotate it around and get water different directions. So you're not just up against the wall or something. So nice little setup here. It's really good. I like this here. And I like the way it's nice brass connectors and very cool. So pretty cool. It's going to come in handy for me. So that's for sure. So I like it. Thumbs up for sure.